quantlabs.net. Okay, so I am going to talk about E-minis, micros for futures market, the advantages of them, and so on and so forth. All right, so if you're interested in these type of topics, go over to our site at quantlabs.net/book and get yourself a bunch of PDFs, free PDFs that is, and just sign up to our usual form here, name and email won't get spammed, and all your info is kept confidential. All right, so I posted this just not too long ago. The title of the article is called E-Micros, Your Answer for Tiny Risk on FX and USA Markets, Market Index. So in here, I've been researching. I do not like, and I want to repeat this, do not like retail brokers for Forex. I think it's an uphill battle. Some people do well, and good for them. But I'm going to show you a solution that might be a little better. As you know, I've been looking at Motive Wave. Pretty happy with it. Really happy with that, in fact. I think it's one of the best platforms out there for us little minions. So, as I don't want to trade FX anymore, we came across a new product launched by the CME in May called Micro for E-minis. These include these things here, E-minis or micro E-minis for S&P 500, Dow Jones, NASDAQ 100, and Russell 2000. These are actually on the exchange, and a lot of advantages. Here's the requirements for contract. Trading margins very low. It's $200 for day trading. Moves up if you want to hold it for full margin. That's $600, and these four are $200 a piece. It's pretty good. Okay, knowing that, we can take a look at what Interactive Brokers has got, because they have actually teamed up with the CME. So there is a complete list of available micros. Now, I don't know if these are the same, but depending upon your account and if you have the margin requirement, then you can trade these other ones. Found this site here at the CME group /trading/products. If you just do a search on micro, you'll see the volumes are not huge, but it's enough to play around with and make maybe a little bit of money. So let me just rearrange my windows here. So we have Forex as well. I have seen gold futures micros. So again, that's on a different COMEX. And I think there was oil and natural gas as well. So there's that. The other good thing about it for Forex people, including me, are trying to be like Forex. Interactive Brokers has a list available as well. And these are the ones that you have access to is in US dollar, Euro, Australian dollar, Canadian pound, British pound, Japan yen, Swiss franc, and the Indian rupee. So you can trade those. And the cost is about 32 cents to 47 cents per trip, I believe. So this is the link here. It's really for people like really small folks, like with tiny accounts, like a couple $100, just to play around with, I guess, before if you start making real money, you can move up and scale it up to the real full E-mini contracts, whatever you want to trade. But it's a really good advantage here. Now, one thing I need to mention here that was listed on the CME site here, and finally, smaller contract sizes can allow you to trade a contract in regulated exchange. That's key. When it comes to the brokers that are so-called regulated, it's a joke. They're more insured in case they go bankrupt, but I think they still get around that. So if it gets regulated, exchange where price is market-driven, transparent, and where counterparty risk may be tremendously reduced. So you have a fighting chance here. Thumbs up on that. And avoid trading with over-the-counter bucket shops, which are also known as Forex retail brokers. There might be some good ones out there, but for what it's worth, not worth trying. And this is the case with CFDs, which have been banned in the States for obvious reasons. So that's good. Just wanted to show you this. You can also do interactive brokers. You can also use something like MotiveWave as your platform to trade these suckers. So I'm going to kind of look at this once I get the crypto out of the way and start looking at these micros for both stock index and Forex. Excuse me, and see where it goes. We shall talk to you later. Hopefully this will give you some cool stuff to look forward to. Over and out.